Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous session, we already saw about create repository project, create new controller for employees, create new action method to display all employees. But we created one empty view, but that video was very long, so we splitted that video into another video. So in this video, we are going to display all employees inside the view. Let's open the same project. In our previous video, we explained about how to create a repository and how to register the dependencies in our program.cs and how to inject inside employee controller. So I strongly recommend to watch my previous video. I will provide the URL of that previous video in the video's description. Please watch that video and come back here so that you can have some better understanding. Okay, now go to this view. Inside the view, in our last video, simply we created the view. In this video, we are going to display the record inside the view. How to do that? First, we need to import our assembly of this employee entity. So this assembly is namespace is this one. So at using then enumerable employees employee entity. Okay, now we can perform some symbol looping because in employee controller we get some list of employees from our repository and passing that list of employees to our view. So inside the view, we need to consider it as a enumerable of employees. So let's loop through the employee list at for each where MB. Let's display employee name and employee age. Okay, let's open the SQL server. For our demo purpose, I inserted 4 employee records already. These 4 records, we are going to display these 4 records in our view. So let's build the solution. And the application. Let's call our controller directly from the URL. Yeah, our employee name, age, employee name, age, employee name, age, all 4 records displayed. It is simple how to display, but it is not proper HTML tags. So I'm going to provide some HTML tag to display these records in a tabular format. How to do that? Let's start. We can provide some heading as list of employees. Then we can make a table, HTML table. This table should have tr first, head, t head. Already, I hope you are already familiar with this HTML tags, so I am providing as it is. Table head, say table head, we can have some tr. Inside tr, we can have some tds. Employee name, employee age. We can simply provide age. department, gender, what else? Name, age, or salary. Okay, table header finished. Then after that, we need to provide table body. Here we need to loop and display the body. So we can use this for each. Here, then TD. Inside TD, first is employee name. Here we provided employee name. So we can provide this mb dot name. Then age. Then department. Then gender. Then what else? Salary. Okay. This is the razor syntax. Everything we need to write inside at tag. That is the razor syntax. This is, you know that this is likely a C# syntax, but we need to provide as at symbol so that it makes us razor syntax. Razor syntax is not difficult one. We can use like a HTML tag and C#, but we need to make sure whether we use at symbol. Okay, let's build the solution and run. Yeah, here this is a, we can remove this one. It's not needed. We can provide some border for table. Yes, we have displayed some employee details from the database. From our database, we have 4 records. So our repository project, where is our repository project? Here, our repository project, we have get all employees method. That method gets all records from our database using DB context. Then we are calling this method from our controller using dependency injection method. After that, we are passing that to our view. So inside our view, we are looping the record and displaying it. In this session, we are displaying only, we are listening only about Crud operation. Our intention is not designing this table, but we can design this table using better CSS and we can make it is a better visibility, but it is not the intention of this video. Our intention is only learning about .NET MVC, .NET 6 MVC. So, okay. In this video, we have displayed data in a CSS/HTML view. In next session, we can continue with add, update, and delete. Thanks for watching.